all day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself.
Good morning, Damis Gang. Today is day 2 of 365 of 2019, and we just want to show you guys. Okay, Ayden want to talk. What, Ayden?
What's up, YouTube? We're taking Draco to the vet.
Wait, but they don't know who Draco is. Wait, okay. So we just got the kids a dog for Christmas, and what is the dog name?
Draco!
Draco. So let's show everyone Draco. Ooh, hi. Draco's currently in a cage because Draco don't know how to act when he's outside of the cage. Yeah, he's been a very, look at him. He's been a very bad boy. Let me show you guys what happened when Ahzee let Draco out to go use the restroom, and then he put Draco back inside and forgot to make sure these were secured, and Draco got out while we were upstairs. Oh, Bay already cut it. Okay, so this was out. Draco ripped this, you guys. So Bay cut it. Look, you can literally see the bottom of my rug. This is how it looked before. This is how it look now. So whenever we're not paying attention, Draco just has to be in the cage until I could like block off the living room and block off the kitchen area. So right now we're gonna take Draco to the vet because we did cut his ears. Let's take Draco out. Come on, Draco. Wait. Look, Draco. Look. Look. Come. Look. Okay, look. See? He's so excited. I think he wants to use the bathroom. Hold on. Let's just try to come out.
He's so excited because he's so excited to go to the vet.
Draco, say hi.
Say hi, guys. Say hi.
Ow! Did you just try to bite me? Alright, so this is Draco. This is Ayden's puppy. It's really Ayden's and Ahzee's, but Ahzee don't really stunt the dog, so
You don't like the dog because
Ayden's the only one that actually plays with the dog. Ahzee's always on Fortnite.
Hey guys, Draco's American bully. Ow!
Yeah, he's an American bully, and he's only 4 months right now. Look how big he is at 4 months. Draco, say hi. What's wrong with you? Why are you trying to bite Ayden?
Because he hurt his eye. Look.
Let me see his eye. Hold on. Look at him. Woo. Hi, Draco. Look at his teeth. It looks so clean.
Because we brushed his
So he's a boy dog. He's an American bully. And we just cut his ears, so we're going to the vet so that we can take his stitches out because his ear's been cut for some time. And he was actually on anesthesia when we cut the ears, when we got his ears clipped. So you can see it right here. This is our baby.
Look, this is our
He's happy, you guys. Look at his tail wagging.
Hi, Draco. Hi.
And he bonds really well with the kids. So look, see?
When
we first got a dog, we didn't really know how many times to feed him, how many times to make him drink. So Draco's been, stop Ayden. So Draco was really like using the bathroom like constantly. And then I thought like you feed dogs breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But you don't. Actually, you're supposed to feed a dog, I guess, like 2 times a day or 1 time a day. So I was overfeeding him, and then he started throwing up. I was like, oh my gosh, did I just, you know, poison the dog or something? But he wasn't poisoned. He was just, I think when I researched it, said he was having acid reflux. So he had to go to the vet for that. They said he was in good condition. It was nothing wrong with him, just less than the amount of time that I feed him. So yeah, we're still learning him, and he's still learning us. So we don't have a set time that we actually feed him. We're trying to get a schedule together. But we've been doing good so far. Here goes Bay.
What's good, Dad? What's up, Draco?
Draco, sit. He don't listen, you guys. See? Sit. Sit. He's not trained. Look, he will run after this toy.
He loves this toy, guys.
Look at this boy. Look at him. He always wants to bite on this damn towel. Alright, come on, Draco. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys a trick. Hold on. Ready, set. Look, watch this. Look, Draco. Damn, he got it. Hold on. He likes doing this tugging thing with us. Like, he will literally leap up for it.
Just in case, Bucky.
And yes, people, our dog has a chip inside of him so that we are able to locate him if somebody tries to steal him from us. Because everybody always says, oh my gosh, your dog looks so nice. So we know people are plotting on our puppy. So we will find you if you take him.
We can keep Draco.
Alright, so Draco's thirsty right now. Hold on, Ayden. You gotta make him go this way so the water don't come on you. Hold on. Alright, so this is how I normally give him water.
How about put it on him? How about we put it on him?
No, don't do that. That's not nice. Sorry. Stop, Ayden. What are you doing, Poppy? You can't do that. You gotta be nice. Hold on, Draco. Come right here.
Good puppy, good puppy. You love water, you love it, you love it. That's enough?
Yeah. So that's how I give him water sometimes when I don't feel like putting it in his bowl. Because this dog is always thirsty. But he pees so much, so we can't really get him too much unless you're just going to sit here and just keep watching him. Because he's not trained and he keeps peeing and doodling in our house. So we kind of have him on a schedule now so that he can come out and use the restroom. Alright, so we're currently in the car. We got Draco in the front. We got Bay right here driving us. Ayden in the seat. This is how we have to ride with Draco. Currently at this vet right now. It's Miami Veterinarian. It's in Weston. It's like a mobile vet. Draco's over here. He currently has patience. Ayden, don't play with me. Ayden trying to make me eat Draco's snacks. Oh, look what we see. Puppies of what, French Bulldogs? How cute.
Can I give him damn treat?
Oh, look at them. Can we touch them? Oh. Hi, you guys. Oh.
That's Draco's baby.
Ayden, give me the treat. So I don't trust you. Thank you. Now you can touch them. Dang it. Ayden, don't drop him, okay? He a baby.
This is your new friend, Draco. See, this is your new friend.
Okay, Ayden, you gotta be
That's Draco's
nice.
new friend.
Make sure you put him down gently. Put him down gently.
Honestly.
His legs. Oh, how many are there? Let me see. 1, 2.
6.
Oh, 6. Is the big one here?
No.
Oh, are these for
The
sale?
mother is in the house.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are yours.
No, the
Oh.
other in my house.
Oh, okay. Oh. This is the only one not selling?
No, it's selling 2, but that one is sold already.
Oh, they're already sold. Oh, okay.
Only this one.
How much they selling it for?
She selling this one for $5,500.
Oh, wow.
That's female.
Oh, wow. This is 5,000.
And $500.
Oh, 500. I thought you said
$5,500.
Oh, 5,500. Oh, wow. Oh, look at Ayden. Wow.
And she sells that one.
Look at this one biting your pants.
She sold.
Don't drop it, Ayden. Don't drop him. Don't drop him. Don't drop him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him.
$3,700.
$3,700. Okay.
And this one too. That's a male.
Another male.
And this one in $3,000.
So which one she sold for the cheapest?
This one. The cheaper no. The only that's missing because she wants to
Keep it.
keep him, but now now she's thinking like selling in $3,500.
Oh my
That one is the big one.
god. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Ayden, why don't you leave it?
It's really expensive.
He loves pets. Yeah, so.
That is so funny.
Oh. Ah! Ayden. Ayden. Okay, you got him? You got him? Okay. Alright.
That's the mama. That's the mama one.
No, it's not a mama. Oh, he's trying to come out. Yeah. Ayden, oh my gosh.
That's baby puppies.
Yes. And he's so chill. Ayden, no. Puppy, be gentle.
He's gentle.
Our dog is so big. I wanted a
That's
French
Draco's
bulldog. I wanted a
babies.
small one.
That's Draco's babies.
They shed a lot, right?
That's
Okay.
Draco's babies.
No, this is a different kind of dog. This is a French bulldog. I mean, a French bully. Draco's an American bully.
My dog is American Willie because he's American.
Aww.
Don't worry, Draco, I got you. Don't worry, Draco, I got you, Draco.
Oh,
Don't stay here now, Draco. Make it over, Draco.
Alright, Ayden, put him back.
You got the true mama dog.
So these gonna be on the market? No, they're already sold.
Draco
That one
found a
already sold.
friend.
I already sold it. I had to take it because it was a little sick, so I took it to take care of it for the lady. Okay. Yeah, she's about to come pick it up.
look at his friend.
You know who Young Miami is?
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's her dog. She's about to come get it.
That's his
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Put it right here and check it.
Yeah. Draco's gonna get his stitches removed out of his ears.
Get your checkup time for your checkup time. Don't hurt him.
Stop, Ayden.
Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him.
He's not getting hurt. He's getting anesthesia.
You're finding a band-aid for him?
Draco, you didn't even flinch. Sit.
Good job. Good job. You're gonna get it fit. Don't worry, Draco. You get better in your checkup. Don't worry, Mommy. Do not get hurt. Do not get hurt.
Okay. Where is he?
Don't take off.
Should I take the leash off? Okay.
You will die. If you take off the leash, he's gonna run or he's gonna get away.
No.
Mommy, get in. It's in his ear.
No, it's not.
What's in his ear? No, don't go his ear. Don't go his ear.
Ayden, back up.
Don't let him get hurt. Don't put it. Don't put my dog.
Draco's sleeping now? He just went to sleep.
He's crying.
No, he's not, Poppy. Leave him alone.
Look at his eyes.
It was been like that.
He's sleeping. Don't hurt him. Come on, Draco, wake up. Don't cut him. Mommy,
Hmm?
he's gonna die.
No, he's not dying, Poppy. He's taking stitches out of his ears.
Stitches? What's
Yeah.
that? What stitches mean?
They had to sew his ear when they cut it so that he can heal properly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hello.
So Draco's relaxed right now.
Yeah,
So
go
we'll
on.
get back to you guys after. Alright, so Draco just finished getting his ears cut. Looking like a brand new puppy. I think he's still under anesthesia, I don't know. But come on, puppy. We gotta go now. Oh, okay. Thank you guys for watching our very first video of the year. Us taking Draco, well, you guys meeting the new addition to our family, which is Draco, and us taking him to the vet. Draco is currently passed out right now. See? He's out cold. I think this is from the anesthesia, but Ayden, why aren't you sitting correctly in the seat?
Ayden, that's sit correctly, Ayden.
Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh, you know what? Thank you guys. Thank you for all 3,000 of our subscribers. Thank you to all of our viewers, our likers, our dislikers, people who follow us on our social medias. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate and love you guys. We appreciate the support. And you know what? We want to do a giveaway, but we just don't know what to do for the giveaway. So we want you guys to drop the suggestions below, comment down below, and let us know what would be the best giveaway. Now, don't ask for no iPhones or no PS4s or no Xboxes, because you know our numbers ain't up there yet. So give us something like gift cards or V-Bucks, something along those lines that you guys would want as a giveaway, so that we can go ahead and make our next video for a giveaway announcement. But thank you guys so much, Damis Gang. Happy New Year.